I just stepped on shit.
Huh?
It's, maputi ka lang. Oh my gosh. It's a beautiful morning. We've got fittings and Hermes shoe. And I'm wearing my YSL boots. Should I wear something, ano?
Ako ba?
Today we begin Hermes is not a tak-tak clip. Especially the 27. You're in trouble. You have 3 real. You have the show, no?
Way too many times
It's
you
the
don't
best. Alam mo, minsan, meron akong toxic trait. Nakikinig ako ng kanta kasi gusto kong lagnatin. Ano yung lagnat? Yung parang magdadrama-drama ka. Pero ang problema ko, wala kasi akong problema sa love.
Kunin mo na to, Isa. Patunayan mo maganda.
Ganda siya. Very.
Ganda.
So,
Ganda kasi makapal.
Ganda rin yan.
How do I look? Queen of Genovia.
Walang taguan. Walang taguan.
that's from all of us. It's from everyone.
Grabe naman.
Like,
Happy birthday! May pa-birthday!
We all chip in. Iiyak siya.
Thank you! Parang kailangan ko nang
Maganda Hermes show, di ba?
Iba? Yes.
Uy, sis, kamukha mo siya.
Savage ka.
Savage Garden.
Maybe. Kailangan lyric.
Louder, make it higher.
Like this forever until the sky falls down on me.
May blending nga may out.
It gave a different spice. Yes, I love those. I love those. Mga 240 lang tayo. 240, I'll go.
I need to do the...
Salamat. So we're done with the Hermes show. It was fun and great because the weather now palang umulan. So ang 10 strands ng aking anit hindi naging 1 strand. So now we're on our way home. We're gonna get ready for a good dinner and then I just have an event tonight, but I'm not sure if kasama pa kayo dun, but I hope you guys enjoyed today. The stars are going to align tonight. Today at 5:15 Paris time. Manifest those dreams, baby girls, and lift it up to God. And may your dreams delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desires of your heart.
1, 2, 3.
Paano? Dire-diretso.
Liit ng bahay, pero...
This will go places with me. Wow! Parang na akong tagapagmay-ari ng... Yung parang may sasagana lang ata. Ganun.
3. Back, bagsak, stop! Sila din mong gupulot.
Actually, I love a good vintage. This vintage is good.
This is so
Ganda yan, dear.
super
Tsaka yung
nice
black.
talaga.
Ako, promise ko sa akin, pag ano, hindi
Hindi ko nakitang sinukat mo to. Ang ganda.
Hindi na ako bibili ng anything na ganito, na fur, na hindi vintage. Nagpapalagay ako ng brooch dito na diamond.
Wow! Ang ganda.
Ganda. Ang ganda.
Alin? Hindi, ibang anyo naman ako.
Try on mo to. Did you give the bouquet to the Americans?
Dear, kasi yan ang
Did you
ganda rin
give
ng
the bouquet
collar.
to the Americans? A black
Ano
spot.
talaga?
Ganda
Red
ng
spot.
collar nitong...
Don't have to tell me. I know.
Nadagdag yung belt.
Ito mas gusto ko siya.
Ito, iba naman yung dating.
Iba
I
yung...
think pag ganito yung suot ko, pwede na ako mag-iba ng pangalan.
Tapos lahat tayo.
Tayo nakaganyan, ewan ko na lang. Diyos ko, rarampa ka sa kalsada.
Ito, bagisan kasi
Ang yaman.
mababa yung balikan ko eh.
Oo nga.
Nakakatawa. Di ba kanina nag-practice ka na? Di ba nag-practice tayo kanina?
Paano?
Yung parang, pa gininaw lang.
Hindi, wait lang. Paalis muna.
Okay, paalis. Okay.
Yung luggage mo, 2. Sabi, ha? Silver flyer kasi ako, meron additional 12 kilos sa ano. Oo nga sis, ang lamig. Wait lang. Tinanggal yung vacuum seal. Sis, okay na. Oh, let's go. Naka-fur coat!
Vacuum seal tinanggal. It's really the vacuum seal. So watch out.
Ang ganda.
I think pantutulog ko na to.